All right. Well, hopefully you can see this okay. I don't know if you got to turn on. These are my forks. I don't like them. I've always thought about buying some walk-through forks, and I think I'm just gonna make these walk-through forks. So let's see what we can do. I kind of have a plan. I don't really want to impede my view any if I can help it. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut it here, cut it here. I'm gonna cut that rod here and here. I'm gonna cut this out, blend that off. And then I think I've got some short flat bar I'm gonna put across here and kind of, you know, come across the back of this up underneath. And then we're gonna bend this. We might bend it here. My OCD's not gonna like that that's there, but I don't think I'll care, because, you know, if we bend it the same angle as this is, that's gonna put us here. That'll give me a decent little passway through there, I think. I might just drop something down to here. I guess that'll make it to where I can't get those off. Well, I could come off the back. That's probably what I'm gonna do. It looks like I bowed my bridge at some point. I mean, I've had these forks a long time. I'm probably gonna come off the back of this. That way I can still get the forks off, and it'll just kind of block my view right in the middle. I'll just put a piece of 1.5 or 2-inch quarter flat bar. And in that way, I've got some tread plate back here. I need to look and make sure I got my crackers, my lunch. Yeah, I got some raised extended metal back here we can use as just a step. I think it'll be good. What do you think? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the wind at my house is ridiculous. All right, I think we're about ready. What we got going here? These magnets are pretty good. Maybe I'm just getting weak, because I think the other magnet's pretty good, but these magnets are pretty good. Whew. Still got a little heat in it. Everything wants to fall off. Figure out where all my stuff is here. I'm just going to eyeball square in here. 1.5. Let's move you guys. Let you guys move to the back so you can see what I'm talking about. All right. So back here, I was gonna put a piece here. Now what I'm thinking about doing is just bridging this entire piece and going like so. What do you think? See, I could do something like that. I know I lose a little bit of visibility there, but it ain't that big a thing, I don't think. I think that's what I'm gonna do there. Kind of like it. Yep, somebody tack that for me. Huh. Yep. A little bit of spatter. All that spatter throws up on me and it's no good. Apparently that can freeze up in a shop that's not heated. Will that at least hold one side for me? I think so. My reveal's pretty good. If I can just get the tack. Does that look good? Looks good. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's wind. That's not a machine or anything running out there. That's wind. It's insane up here. I've told you that. That ought to stay there. For all you welders, I guess I'll get you a close-up. I know, horrible, huh? I know, it's all right. Somebody will have something to say. I'm self-taught, never had a class in my life. I've had zero failures. Zero failures on anything I've ever welded. But I know I'll get somebody saying something. Oh, it's not good penetration. You didn't take the mill scale off that quarter by 1.5 inches. I don't know. I think we'll be fine. This doesn't need to be welded all the way across, so we'll leave about 1 inch. We're gonna weld that 2 or 3 inches there, and then we'll weld 2 or 3 inches across this so we can hit this piece and all that. We'll weld this. Actually, we may weld from here to here. That way this is all closed up and it kind of gives some strength to our step area. And then we'll do the same over here, weld that. We'll do that. We'll do that. So let's do spot weld. We'll weld from there to there, and there, close that up. We'll weld from there to there. And see, that kind of gives you, and usually I think about it when I'm spot welding it. I didn't, it just happened to work out that I don't think I have anything. No, I won't have anything showing that's not. But if you give yourself a spot weld, and you can start here or start here, wherever you want to run to, and then you can run your weld and you have a starting and stopping point. I'll probably weld this. That's kind of a stretch, but we'll run all that and then we'll stop. I'll jump over here, weld this, we'll weld that, and then I'll come back and weld that stretch. So. That old holder, look at that. Walk through forks. Yeah, baby. All right, give me just 1 second. I'm gonna grab, I've got some expanded metal over here. Actually, you know what? Just hang on. I'll grab it and let's see. Smaller expanded metal, but at least it's raised. Probably want it in there that way. This way's not going to give you a lot of traction. You're going to get one rib on it. What do you think? I think that's good. Maybe I'll take it. I think I'll take it here. I'll take it here, and then I want two eyes. Somewhere, I guess I'm gonna have to down. Good catch, Houston. Stay. Could have got it if I was lighting the right side. So I'll grab you in there because I cut that. Keep that up there to cool for a second. Let's take the grinder and clean some of this up. This will probably be time lapse. Okay, where's the safe side? It looks pretty good. See? What do you guys think? Think it'll work? I think it'll work. Let's see if we can get you guys right there. We'll get a ground. And get a helmet on and we'll see if we can get that attached. I know that's probably overkill, but forks take a lot of abuse. So, but I mean, that ought to be, you know, with this cross piece on there and that, you know, that tread on there. I mean, other than my OCD's messing me up with these windows not being even, and I'll show you that. You can tell me if I'm I'm bad OCD or just kind of OCD, but, and I knew it was coming. I knew my brain was gonna like itch for a week, but see how the windows, that side over there is bigger than this side, and it's how it is. It is what it is. And it looks like that, no, that looks, I don't know, that one's twisted this way just a little bit. It may just be the way I'm looking at it, but it's all good. They're a set of forks. That is awesome.